Hello, I'm immigration attorney Alma Rosa Nieto. Lately, the White House and President Obama have come up with new directives for ICE, the Immigration Service. And the directives are, if you detain someone, they're giving agents the discretion to put them under one of two files or piles, high profile or low profile. Why? The immigration courts are saturated. If someone is detained today, it may take up to a year to see an immigration judge. And because of the backlog that each judge has throughout the United States in the immigration courts, it may take 1, 2, up to 3 years for an immigration judge to give a final decision in a case. The Immigration Service, Homeland Security has said, let's streamline this process. How can we streamline it? We can't have more courts, we can't have more judges, the budgets are not there. Let's give an ICE agent prosecutorial discretion to decide when someone is high profile and someone is low profile. If someone is high profile, that means they've had prior incidences with immigration, deportations, or they have a criminal background. They want to get those individuals quickly into immigration court for a hearing so that a judge can determine whether that person has a right to stay in this country or should be removed and deported from the United States. But those under low profile are people that are here, maybe out of status, but that have lived here for many years, have paid their taxes, maybe own homes, have United States citizen-born children, maybe even a spouse that's a citizen, and that have been otherwise good citizens of the United States. So why they're saying plug up the system with these individuals, we only want to get the high-profile cases before an immigration judge ASAP to reduce the backlog. So if you're low profile and you're categorized as a low profile case, you will be frozen in effect, your case. You won't go to an immigration judge. They won't forget about you. They'll take your prints, they'll take your whole immigration history, they'll know about you, and later, eventually, you'll go to an immigration hearing. But for now, let's get rid of the backlog, and while you're in a low-profile category, you may even be eligible for a work authorization. Not for a green card, just for a work authorization. So if you or someone you know is detained by the Immigration Service, ICE specifically, it's important that your family know of it immediately. Contact an immigration attorney so that that attorney can negotiate and convince ICE to put you under low profile, this way freezing a potential deportation hearing until a later date. If there is immigration reform someday or a change of circumstances in your particular case, you are still here in the United States and able to pursue a new remedy under this new prosecutorial discretion under the Obama administration. Until next time, I'm attorney Alma Rosa Nieto.